cooking tacos. So pre-cooking up some tortillas, corn tortilla. Got very hot oil here.
So we're frying
Dipping it in. Starts cooking. Flipping it over. Oil is extremely hot. And gotta get it to fold. The oil was too hot. Looks like this one may be a tostita, whatever. Oh, there, got it folded. It's always nice when the cook them in the tortilla stays open a little bit so you can stuff your tacos easier. Over here's my cooling rack. I set them up so they stay flared open. Let them cool, then stack it on top of another one. They all hold each other open. This is the one that you just saw us frying in the oil. So bring it over. Put it on the paper towels so the oil can drain out of it.
and it stays on shape.
Yeah, it holds the shape open. Grab another fresh one to start and repeat the process. Drop it in. Let it cook for a couple seconds so it gets pliable. Flip it. Then try to start working on getting your fold in. I'm sure there's a better way or a faster way, but I haven't found it yet.
You can bake it. I saw some people bake it.
Well, don't you have to have a form then?
Yeah, you need a form.
I don't have a form. Or I might have got one at one time and just ended up getting pushed to a back of a cabinet because it didn't get used often. Yeah, see, this one isn't wanting to stay open on it by itself. So this is one that definitely need the help in the cooling rack.
Yeah.
Try to tap off some of the extra oil, keep it in the frying pan. You better have the oil in the frying pan than the oil in the shell of the tortilla. If it's in the shell, stays in the shell of the tortilla, then you're getting all that oil in you.
So it's like usually for one person we have 3 shells, right?
Yeah, we make it like 3 tacos for each person.
Yeah.
By the time
One is too little.
2 can be perfect, and then you have the third one as a snack later.
No, actually I ate all 3 usually.
I eat 2 and save one for a snack later.
How do you know when it's already done?
Well, it depends if you like them really soggy, where you can kind of wrap it around, or if you want some crunch, or
Oh, okay.
it's just personal preference. I mean, you can cook in the where they're so crunchy, you take one bite and it crunches and cracks all the way, and your whole taco falls apart. What you fill them up with, you can use Rosarita's refried beans, and then your taco meat mix, and whatever stuffings you like, or you can go without the beans. And
So we usually use the mission corn, yellow corn.
yeah, king size. This is what they call king size.
King size, it's pretty small.
Yeah. Or you can do it with flour tortillas if you like. Soft Taco Supreme basically is just the shell is really soft, slightly cooked, and the Supreme is they throw in sour cream on top.
When you do this, do not use non-stick or something like that.
Don't use plastic utensils.
That too. It should be all metal and no non-stick.
Yeah,
It's never gonna be non-stick anymore.
Doesn't like the heat for some reason. Shake your taco. Shake your tortilla.
Here we go. Give it a little shape. This is what we use.
Super soft. 10 count works good because the one extra one, if one gets tore or damaged, you can just tear it up and eat it as a little chip. This one has a little tear starting in it. So I think I'm just going to cook this one as a chip.
Yeah, you can also eat it on its own, like a chip. It's pretty good as a side dish.
Yeah, or you can just buy the bag of chips, but this is fresh.
Or this one is being cooked as a chip.
Yeah, this one will be very crunchy. See, no bending in it. That means it's chipped. Turn the heat off. Double check that the heat's turned all the way off so you're not keeping a flame. Cut off some of the oil. Stack it on the cooling rack. Okay, we're cooking the meat. Make yourself a large frying pan. Put in some salt. Like a little salt. This is pink sea salt. Himalayan pink salt.
Anyway, we're almost out, but we have more.
Start off with some frozen ground beef.
These are frozen. Put it first so all the oil gonna get removed. So there's going to be oil in here.
And then after that, we like using Tom's taco seasoning, the best.
Yeah, that's our favorite.
Tried
flavor,
McCormick's and stuff, but McCormick's has those big chunks of dehydrated onions, and I'm not a fan of onions so much. This is all powderized. So after the hamburger is cooked and scrambled, and all the grease is drained out, you add this, and then you add some water.
A little water.
And you'll cook it back down and let the seasoning work into the meat. This says here you can use this in poultry, piggies, and beef.
Beef. Alright, so this is what we have. Then we're gonna cook it. Okay. Let's see.